So I'm Jake Powell and I'm the vineyard manager here. We have about 14 acres of grapes, 11,000 vines, so it's a lot to take care of. We have 8 varieties of grapes, and we're finding that the vineyard work is time consuming. Traditionally, you would use a tractor and a sprayer behind the tractor, driving down the rows and driving on the lawn and kind of beating that down. The tractor is expensive, the sprayer is expensive, and then the time is really expensive. And when we heard that Frost was doing drone, we thought that would be a good alternative to spending all this time and money trying to spray ourselves. Have done some insecticides and some fungicides, and that's worked effectively. We've been really happy with the results. The drone can do it with obviously no traffic in the vines or on the grass, so it's a great alternative to trying to hire more people. And it was a easy decision to go up there and talk to them, and they've been great. He knows an awful lot about spraying too. Listen to what my problem is, and then trying to solve it the best that they can, most cost effective. So yeah, they've been great. I would definitely recommend them.